In this video, we will learn how to install Deskubot Widget on your WordPress site. Goto Integrations page. Configure Deskubots. Select the recipe. Enable the widget, then copy the code. Now open the admin panel of your WordPress site. As per instruction, we need to paste the code in the footer section of all the pages where we need the bot. For that, we have two methods. The first is manually adding the snippet in all the PHP files, and the second method is by using a plugin to do that task automatically. As going manually is time-consuming and also hard for non-technical users, so to prevent technical errors we will go with a plugin. Go to Plugins. Add new plugin. Search for Header, Footer and Post Injections by Stefano Lissa. Read the description and make sure is it compatible with your WordPress and PHP versions. Follow this written installation instruction if you need to. Install it. Activate. We can see, it's active. To add the snippet we copied earlier, go to Settings, Header and Footer. In the first Header and Footer tab, scroll down to the Before Closing Body tag in Footer section. There are two text fields. One for desktop, and one for mobile. If you have two separate bots for desktop and mobile, then paste those according and tick the checkbox, otherwise paste the snippet in only desktop. Click Save. Open the site to see Chatbot. You can change the widget appearance from here. So, this is how we can install Deskubot on the WordPress site.